corn harvest. Morning here. It's already about 9:30. We've already fueled up. Blew our combines off a little bit. We've got a couple trucks here already. A few more back at the farm. They're going to be bringing them here whenever we tell them we're starting, which wasn't much of a do last night, so the corn's relatively dry already. So neighbor's already running. We're going to dive into it here as soon as we get unloaded. Last 50 here. Michael's getting the last few point rows. We're gonna head on down the road here about a few miles, and we've got 120 acres of corn down there, which 40 acres of it has a bunch of replant on it, so we don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, but the other corn should come out pretty dry. We probably end up picking it. We'll just see how wet it really is when we get there. So we're getting ready to leave this patch, head to the next. Wife just brought us supper and the kids. They're leaving. We went to make a round with them while they was riding, and made it down to there in the combine. Started popping up stuff saying that things wasn't turning. Well, we've obviously got some issues over here, as you can see. I don't know. Yep, it's broke. So that belt was just new not too many years ago, so I don't know why it broke, to be honest. And that's the belt we had off when we replaced all these bearings, but I mean, it wasn't in a bind. That's a pain in the butt to change too. Because to change that belt, you gotta open this back up and wedge that pulley open. So I guess that belt don't look too great. I guess I need to go get some tools and get back down here. Try to get this thing running before it gets completely dark, if I have that belt. If not, I guess I'll have to get that belt tomorrow morning. I think I might have that belt, so I'm gonna shut this panel up, drive up here to the pickup, go see what I can find. We're fixing. Kinda. It's kind of a project, but it's nice and dark at least. This belt runs around the back side of this pulley, around this pulley, this one, that one, and then you can't see it, but back there behind that one, which means those belts also got to be loosened up, and possibly this shield here taken off as well. And then I've got to back all this out again like I did in the previous video sometime back. So basically back down to where, same way I was tearing that bearing down. But we're going to try getting most of it knocked apart. I do have a belt. Had one in stock at the shed. Since we have 3 of these, I usually keep quite a few parts on hand. But if not, we just had to get one in the morning. But either way, ought to be pretty close to being back up and running. For in the morning I can finish it up and we'll go back to shelling then. So that's going to be it for today. Day 2 anyhow. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you later.